Hey guys, my name is Clyde, and I wanted to share with you a wonderful poem that was written by Mustaya, and I thought I should share it with you guys, and I do hope that you guys enjoy it. So here we go. If the wind should suddenly turn back, and the strokes of the trees raven black, if at early dawn a snow-white doe peers into your window with shy love, do not sigh, but listen to the birds of the air. Not in vain will their knocking be heard. It will mean that very soon there'll be a sunny weather. And soon enough, you and I will be together.